I told her, I said, it's nice to have a face with a name.
Yes.
Who's
Yes.
loved so much.
Yeah, I've heard all about her. She is just as beautiful as everybody was telling me.
Ah,
Well,
You ready?
should we do it?
we should do it.
Do it to
Calling
it.
case number 154858AY.
Or more importantly, in the case of Harper, whose big day is today. We're celebrating Harper, and I just want to start off by stating how much of a privilege it is to be a part of everyone's special day. Of course, Mom and Dad and Harper, but everyone, because this is a celebration of love, family, kind of sealing the deal legally, so to speak, and confirming what's been existing, and that is family and love. And not just family who's at the table, but family that's gathered here in the jury box, extended in the gallery, and this is what it's all about. In this court, we see all sorts of things, and today has been a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, and everyone can relate to highs and lows. Today is, and right now, for Harper, this is a high point for all of us to celebrate this. So, why don't we do this? I want to take names of, I think we've got a small enough crowd where we can go around the room and everyone can tell me what their name is and how they're tied in, because I'm kind of curious as to who everyone is. But we'll start at the table with Miss Barnett.
Autumn Barnett, Adoption Supervisor for Monroe County.
Elizabeth Drew, mother of the Harper.
Yes. And then Beth.
Jason Drew, soon to be your father.
Yes. Are you Harper? Hi Harper, I'm Judge Arnold. Glad you could be here. Mr. Churchill.
Tim Churchill, attorney filling in for Kimberly Kuhn on behalf of the parents.
Thank you.
I'm Jessica Owens. I am Lizzie and Jason's current neighbor, but I also grew up down the street from Lizzie when I was little.
Okay, talking about that extended family.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Jean-Luc, and I am Lizzie's I'm your cousin, right? Okay, cool.
All right.
I'm Annie Burt, auntie.
Okay, and videographer.
I'm Carly. I've been Lizzie's best friend since the 3rd grade.
Awesome.
I'm Angie. I'm Lizzie's oldest sister and Harpy's aunt.
All right, and we'll go over here.
I'm Gigi.
I'm Ashley. I'm soon to be Harper's aunt.
Good deal.
I'm Bonnie. I'm Aunt Lizzie's mother and Harper's grandmother.
Okay.
Thompson-Bert, Liz's dad, Harper's grandfather.
Welcome.
I'm Rodney Drew. Jason's my son, and Harper's my granddaughter.
Grandpa.
Yeah, I'm Grandpa. It's
There we go.
Nan Drew, Jason's mom, and future soon-to-be granddaughter Harper.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Jeff Drew, uncle and godfather of Jason.
Neat.
Cindy Drew, Jason's aunt, and soon to be Harper's great aunt. Cindy Gerard, Jason's aunt and Harper's great aunt.
Wow. Okay, now we're getting kind of extended here. We need a flow chart this week.
Yeah.
I'm Matt, I'm Jason's younger brother.
Welcome. And who do we have in the back
Say
row?
their
Let's
name.
start over here.
I'm Valen. I've known Lizzie since she was born.
Yeah.
I've been a longtime friend. This is my daughter Carly, which is now Harper's really good friend.
And Troy.
And little Troy.
Okay, and then who's next to you?
I'm Elena Stevens. I'm Lizzie's niece.
Oh, wow. Sweet. Okay. Did I miss someone? Oh, yeah, I sure did. I see 2 more heads. Okay.
That's Caden and Chloe, and they're Harper's friends. Hi, Troy.
Well, I never know what to expect when I come out the door here, and sometimes it's a little itty bitty baby and mom and dad. Sometimes it's an adult. This court does adult adoptions too, believe it or not. Sometimes it's full house, sometimes it's not so full house, but regardless of the size, the age, or whatever it is, we celebrate, and we celebrate this love, and we celebrate family. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some just really brief and easy testimony from mom and dad, go over some things that we've gone over in the past. I know we've been on a little path and journey here, We've had some hoops along the way, but we're here now to seal the deal. So when I ask you the questions, just speak clearly and audibly because we're making an important record of all of this. And if the two of you would raise your right hands, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay. And your full name, Mr. Drew, is Jason Allen Drew?
Yes, sir.
Your full name, ma'am, is Elizabeth Louise Drew?
Yes.
And Harper's name is Harper, she has two middle names, Sage
Hyphen.
Louise? Okay, and that's hyphenated?
Yeah.
Or,
There's a hyphen in there.
okay, but it's, the middle name is Sage Louise?
Yes, it is.
All right, and her date of birth is September 14th, 2011?
Yes.
And the two of you filed a petition for the step-parent adoption, and were all the statements in that petition true?
Yes, sir.
All the contact information, address information is still the same?
Correct.
Residents of Monroe County, Michigan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, do you understand that if I grant this petition, that the two of you will share legal responsibility both as mother and father over her?
Correct.
And can you assure me that together as mother and father, you will provide for Harper physically, psychologically, emotionally, and economically?
Oh,
Yes.
100%.
And ensure all of her academic, medical, and dental needs?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and furthermore, do you understand that at law, she becomes your heir, both of yours? Do you understand that?
Correct.
And you will be her heirs at law, do you understand that?
I do.
Okay, and particularly with respect to Mr. Drew, is it fair to say that during the course of your marriage to Mrs. Drew, that bond has formed between you and Harper?
Oh, yeah.
She regards you as her father?
Yes. Yeah.
You regard her as your daughter?
I do.
Okay. Two of you, in addition to providing for her, will love her unconditionally?
Oh, correct.
I'm not saying spoil or coddle or anything
Right.
like that.
Yeah.
All right, very good. And is this a request? Yes. With the request for her last name to be Drew, is that being done with any intent to mislead, defraud, or otherwise hide her identity?
No, sir.
It's being done to match up the family name?
Right, correct.
Okay, very good. Two of you are married. Date of marriage?
October 29th.
Yep. I know.
October
He
29th.
was there.
Right, yeah.
2000.
Oh, 2015.
Yeah, it was last year.
Last year,
Okay.
I'm terrible.
They didn't have
Okay,
a
that's why I
formal
looked.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a formal wedding.
It wasn't a.
That's why I looked to the guy first.
Right. Yeah.
But okay, so we do have a lawful marriage here, Ms. Barnett. Okay,
yes.
very good. That's all we need to know from a legal perspective. Okay, very good. Those are my questions, and let me take the report of Ms. Barnett.
Yes, Your Honor. As you can see, and we know that this is a long time. We've been waiting a long time, long process, but we now know that there are no appeals pending, that all proper legal documents are in place. There's no question as to this ever being interrupted. I went for the home study. She definitely has everything that she could ever want. Very beautiful home. And she's very proud to be in there. I got to witness the bond that her and her dad have. So Monroe County does recommend and think that this is in her best interest, the adoption today.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Barnett. Mr. Churchill, on behalf of your clients.
I would just respectfully assert, I think the adoption is in the best interest of all parties here, and respectfully ask the court to grant it. It's been a long, hard road this one with all the hurdles and obstacles that were thrown up by the biological father, but nevertheless, they persisted to get to this point, and I respectfully ask the court to confirm it and let them get on with their new lives as a new family.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Churchill. That seems to be the constant theme in terms of the road that we've gone down together, all of us. But we're here at this point now. Let me ask, is there anyone who is objecting to this petition? The answer is no, no one's objecting to this petition. Is there anything that anybody wants me to know before I enter my order here? Other than, do it already! All right, I'm gonna issue my, or should I do it, Harper? Should I do it?
Tell them yes.
Should I do it? Okay, I'm gonna, oh, she's gonna be awesome here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for Mom and Dad. In the matter of Harper Sage Louise, born September 14th, 2011. The court does find that proper petition is before me. I've taken testimony and considered that, and the evidence as well during the course of this file. I do find that all necessary prior orders have been entered. This isn't a situation where Harper has been made a ward of the court. I do find that the step-parent adoption is desirable and is in her best interest. Therefore, it is ordered from and after today's date that Harper's mom and dad at law are Jason Allen Drew and Elizabeth Louise Drew. Her name is Harper Sage Louise Drew. I'm signing an order to that extent. A round of applause and congratulations. Way to go off the record. And boy, this has really been amazing to reach this point, considering what we've all been talking about here. I'm really happy for you. For that, I'll give you this paperwork here, and this is what finalizes it and makes it all official, and the final order, and my congratulations, and thank you so much for being patient.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
thank you very
much. I hope that I vocalized the reasons for why this has been prolonged, which is so extraordinary, but we're here.
Oh, yeah.
So now we can all celebrate together. What's the plan? Pizza?
Yeah, there you go.
All right, okay. The plan is the law, man, to continue the celebration. I really appreciate, too, every time that I see the full array of family present, it just really confirms what this is all about. And not just family by blood, but everybody that's included in this process. So that's what family is, and I'm just so very happy for all of you. So the cameras have been rolling, pictures have been taken. If you wish to take additional pictures up on the bench, you're welcome to. I could show Harper or whatever child is interested in the judge's gavel. If you want. Or the judge's hammer.
Oh yeah, get up there.
The boys really like this.
I go over there.
So,
and the role volunteer for the gavel.
Yeah, I should bring it down here. So this is the judge's hammer. That's the gavel, and you all know what that's about. People get unruly, but in a small court like this, it's more ceremonial than anything. But one of these days, I'm going to hook this up with a bell and a puck and see how we get this to go. So, any kids out here who want to get this a whack? You want to go? Come on over here. We have older kids too. Come on over here. Let's make it official and do it on the judge's bench. Okay. Don't hit your fingers. Alright. Come in this little door here. We got steps, so be careful for the step. Alright. Watch the step there, and okay, so give this a good whack and say, order in the court, order in the court. Who wants to be first? It's your special day. Oh, she wants to see everybody else do it. Say for it. Good job. You're gonna break it. Wow, we got future judge here. Good job. What a good slam. You did good. Great. No, this is indestructible here.
There you go.
I want to have this other story. Right. But mom and dad, I don't know if you want to do it with the judge. I don't mean to coerce strong. Some people want that. Oh, sure. Come on.
You want to get out?
I'm
gonna get out and
trade my purse, would you?
Just watch the step over here. Rise. So are we gonna keep Harper up here?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, it's all right.
All right. So Harper, we're gonna take a picture with mom and dad and me. Maybe because of the height of everything, somebody might want to hold her, maybe, or okay. Oh, are we ready? Are we gonna say cheese for the camera?